Hello, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet textured striped blanket. There is no chain count, so you can make this as wide as you would like with as many chains as you would like. I used a G-hook, medium worsted yarn, and make your chains somewhat loose on the bottom when you create your chains. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, for a sample, I'm just going to do a chain count of 25. You can make as many as you'd like, and you can also go up or down on your hook size. This is a G hook. In the second chain from the hook, I'm going to work a single crochet, grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and I'm working the single crochet for 2 rows. So work this all the way until you get to the end. Chain 1 and turn, and then work 1 single crochet in each stitch across until you get to the end again. Single crochet in the last stitch, and then you're going to take a new color of yarn and pull it through. And then chain 1 and turn your work. You're going to yarn over, go into the first stitch, grab the yarn, draw it up, then yarn over and go right underneath into the stitch below, and then grab the yarn and draw up your loop, and then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And then you're going to continue this repeated pattern until you get to the very end. Yarn over, go right directly below, and grab the yarn, draw up your loop, and yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook, and repeat that until you get to the end. And then in the last stitch, do the same exact thing. Work your stitch in there, yarn over, draw up your loop, and then go right underneath and grab the yarn and pull through all loops. And then you're going to chain 1. Make sure you have all the same stitches for each row so you don't have less or too many. And then single crochet in each stitch across until you get to the very end on this row. Okay, you're going to do a color change here. So place the purple off to the side, and then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Then pull the purple color through for a color change. After you pull through, make sure to chain 1 each time you start a row. I forgot to do that. And then continue that stitch on until you get to the end. Okay, so you're at the end here. You're just going to work the last stitch the same exact way. And then you're going to do a chain one and turn, and then repeat by working a single crochet in each stitch across until you get to the very end. And then you will work the white again the same exact way. And this is pretty much how this pattern is done. It's pretty easy, great for blankets. So now you're just going to pull the purple through the two loops and make sure you have the white, and then pull that through, and then you're going to work the same stitch the same exact way for the 2 rows, and then this is the pattern. It's pretty easy to do and looks really nice. Okay, now chain 1 and turn and work single crochets until you get to the very end. All right, so this is what it looks like. Great for blankets. This would even be great for shawls. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.